I don't understand you anymore.
I don't care anymore. You can do as you please.
I just hope it won't be too late before you realize that pampering this kids might destroy their lives.
Now let me show you how to create AI videos like this for free, and make sure to watch till the end.
The AI tool I'm going to be showing you in this tutorial is 100% free. I kid you not. So make sure you watch this video to the end, because I'm going to be showing you how to use this AI tool for free and unlimited to create as many videos as you want. People in my community are already sending me DMs. Digital Mama, this AI tool is actually working. Yes, it is working. So do well to subscribe, do well to like this video, do well to share this video, and make sure you comment in the comment section, because I'm going to be bringing more AI tools, free AI tools updates for you. So the first thing you want to do is to get your prompt. So this is me inside Gemini and trying to get a prompt. I already have my image, so I said kindly give me a prompt for an accident scene of this man driving a black G-Wagon in Lagos City. So my prompt is as simple as that, because that is what I want to happen in this particular scene. The prompt for my image is just image of an African man driving a vehicle in Lagos. That's all. So now this is me trying to get a prompt for the video through the image. So now after sending this prompt, Gemini AI is going to give me a video prompt. Okay, so it gave me about 3 options. So I'm going to copy this first one, then I will go to the next AI app. So the name of this AI app is Tinker. So once you get to this place, you need to swipe your phone to the left, like swipe your screen from right to left. So it is going to show this interface. You can see all apps, image and video at the top. So click on video and you're going to see all the AI tools that you can use on this platform. Google Veo 3 is there, Klink AI is there, Cydian's AI is there. You can try any of them out, but for this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to use Cydian's video generator. So click on it and it's going to bring all this option, then click on use. Now I'm going to paste my prompt here, then I will select this select photo and bring in the image I want to turn into a video. Okay, so here I'm trying to select the image. Okay, now so I've seen the image, I'm just going to click on the image and the image is going to upload to the platform. Now click on additional setting. This is where you're going to set the duration. You can see 4 seconds, 5 seconds and 6 seconds. So choose the 6 seconds. Then you can also choose the ratio of your video. Okay, choose the ratio of your video. You can see choose the shape of your output. Most times it's going to be on auto, so you choose the one you want. So I want 9:16, so I'm going to choose that. Then I'm just going to drag this arrow from left to right, and that way your video will start generating. Just wait for a few seconds, your video is going to be ready. Okay, so now as you can see, our video is ready. Now the next thing is to download your video. To download your video, click on these 3 dots at the bottom right, then you see the option share, download and version history. So click on download and your video will download immediately. It doesn't waste time, and that is how to do that particular single scene. Now I want to do a dialogue scene where 2 people are talking. Okay, so I'm just going to bring in the image I want to use where 2 people are inside the image. Okay, so I'm selecting this one, then I'm going to give it a simple prompt. My own secrets to how I create video is AI video is that I make sure my prompt is as simple as possible. As long as I have gotten the right image, that I've gotten the right environment for my character, they are in the best place I want, I'm going to make sure that my video prompt is going to be as simple as possible. So this is my video prompt. What your video prompt should entail is the dialogue, the expression of each of the character, and maybe the accent of the characters. Okay, so now what I have here is the man says, "You have become so stubborn," or something, or nonchalant. "You have become so nonchalant." That's what I want the man to say. So if you want to be specific, you can now say the man speaks in a African accent and says you have become so nonchalant, but here I just want to leave it plain. Now then the woman responded and says, I don't care. Okay, I don't care what you think. Then I'm just going to close this and click on send. This green button, click on it. Then you drag this arrow from right to left to make it start generating. You can select the seconds, the duration, and that's it. I've already done that in the first place. You know how to do that by now. So now we're going to wait for this to download so you can see. Look at this now. So now let me download it. Click on the three dots and click on download. So now let me play it so you listen to this.
You have become so nonchalant, Debbie. I don't care what you think.
Now you can see that it gave me exactly what I want. Now let me show you how to use this app unlimited so you can generate as many videos as you want. Go to your Play Store. Once you open your Play Store, search for this particular app, Tinker by Shopify. Tinker by Shopify. Once you see it, is this one with the lemon logo. Click on it and click on install. Once you have that installed, you need to install this second app. The second app is Temp Mail. Temp Mail. Search for Temp Mail, then install it to your phone. Once you are done doing that, you have the two apps on your phone, Temp Mail and Tinker Shopify. Open Tinker Shopify and click on sign in. Then you click on continue with email. Now you're going to need an email. Don't use your normal Gmail. Just go to Temp Mail. Open Temp Mail from your phone. Then you need to copy one of the emails there. Copy the email, then you'll go back to Tinker Shopify. Once you are done copying the email, go back to Tinker Shopify and paste the email here. After pasting the email, you click on continue. Immediately it's going to request for a code, that they've sent a code to the email you use in registering. So go back to Temp Mail. When you get to Temp Mail, they might ask for you to accept notification. You can on it. Then you see the inbox. Click on inbox. Then click on the email you received and copy the code that is there. Then you go back to Tinker and paste the prompt. Once you paste the prompt, it is going to automatically confirm the code. And that is it. We are done creating our account. Now let me show you how to log out from your account and also how to log in with a new email. Now go back to the home page and click on this icon at the top that looks like an avatar. Then scroll down. Just scroll down. You will see logout. Just click on logout and it will log you out. Click on confirm. It will log you out automatically. So you will need to sign in again. Just click on sign in. Then you put in a new email that you have copied from Temp Mail. Now let me show you how to get a new email from Temp Mail. Okay, so after clicking on continue with email, go back to the Temp Mail app, then click on change. This change here, click on change, so that it's going to change the email for you. It's going to load and change the email to a new one, so you can copy it and use it to sign up on the Tinker app. So that's it, guys. Do well to subscribe to this channel for more updates like this. See you.
What if your phone could generate consistent income for you every single day?